We fell out of love like shooting stars came crashing down, and we're building back up again now.
Hello you guys, I'm the Diva, and in today's video I wanted to talk about different deals that are on the QVC website. I know that I told you guys about one deal and maybe some of you saw the video in time, some of you didn't see the video in time, and so I just wanted to clue you guys in on the fact that QVC is a great place to get your makeup, to get your skincare, hair care products, I mean appliances, hair care appliances. Well, they have a lot of stuff that you can get from there, but I really wanted to mostly focus in on the skincare. The first one I wanted to talk about, which is the first one that you see when you go to Elemis, the Elemis portion. It's called Elemis Pro-Collagen AM/PM 3-piece skincare kit, and this one costs $143. And you guys, at first I was like, I don't know that that's that great of a deal for 3 pieces. If sold separately, it would be $422. So yes, that is a really good deal. I do have 2 of the items that come in this kit. One of them is the Pro-Collagen cleansing balm, and I love that stuff. It's not that expensive. It's still expensive, but it's not that expensive. It's only $64, so that's the least expensive of the 3 items. And they also have the Pro-Collagen Marine Cream. I have that item as well, and I do like this. Before I got the deal for the Tatcha set that I will be talking about a little bit later, I was using this cream. This cream looks like this, and it is very moisturizing. It does leave your skin well hydrated. I really do like this, but the cream that I switched over to, which is a Tatcha one, I will be talking about that a little bit later, but I did want to show you guys the difference in the 2. Now, you saw how that one applied. They kind of are the same, except this one is just a little bit thicker, and it just, I do like the Tatcha one just a little bit more. This is a very good moisturizer. This moisturizer on its own is $128. So I mean, you're only paying a little bit more than the cost of this right here. It also has the Pro-Collagen Overnight Matrix. I have never used that, but that by itself costs $230. So like I said, this is a really good deal. It kind of doesn't seem like it's a really good deal because you're paying $143 for only 3 items, but they have a good value behind them. So if I was you, I would try this out. The next thing that I wanted to talk about is the Elemis Smoothing Apricot and Balancing Lavender Toner. You guys, I love toner now. At first I didn't understand toner. I didn't want a toner. I didn't know I needed a toner, but now I understand what a toner is there to do. A toner is there to hydrate your skin. It's another level of hydration. It's another level of cleansing to get every trace of your makeup off. It is also there to balance your face's pH level. This toner duo, you'll be getting both of those for $46. These are $36 on the QVC website by itself. So for an extra $10, you get a whole extra one. I wish it would have been in the set. The one that I have now is the Rehydrating Ginseng one, and I heard that that one was more for aging skin, and so that's why I got that one. but I've heard nothing but good things about the soothing apricot and the balancing lavender. Okay, so now we're on to the onto Tatcha, and I wanted to talk to you guys again about the Tatcha Ageless Renewal Face and Neck 4-piece kit. This is a phenomenal package, you guys. I say run and get it. If you did not get it when it was cheaper, you have to get it now. It is still at a great price. I think when I got mine, it was $140 something, and now it's at $175.50. It is still at a great price, you guys. And here they have this moisturizer. Here is $185. So yeah, this is the most expensive moisturizer I've ever had or ever used, and I really love this stuff. I feel that this whole kit has brought my hydration level for my face up 100%. I feel totally hydrated after I place these items on, starting with the essence. That stuff is so good, you guys. I didn't even know that I needed an essence until I was watching someone's video and they were telling me the benefits, all the benefits of what using a essence, that how hydrating it is by itself, and how it just pulls in your other products that you're using to hydrate your face. It pulls them into the deepest part and hydrates from there. I have a CPAP and I wear a mask at night, and I always have lines here and I have wrinkles. So putting on the essence, it like melts away my wrinkles. I know that that's like, no it doesn't. But literally my face plumps up so much that I can barely see the crepiness under my eyes, and it starts the process for those lines on my face to disappear. And then once I put my my facial moisturizer on, those lines are barely there, and by the time I get to work, they're gone. So that's why I love this moisturizer so much. I love the essence, and that neck cream is amazing. I never knew that I really needed a neck cream because, you guys, I love Josie Marin argan oil and the whipped butter. I love that. I would put that all over me, but I don't have it in here, but the neck cream is so amazing. It just hydrates all on its own, and it has a lot more nourishing aspects about it. I am gonna try to put on the screen a few of the things that are in the neck cream, but I urge you to go to QVC, go to the website, and actually look at each item to see what is in each item. The last thing I want to talk about in this set is the eye cream. I am in love with the eye cream. I know that it doesn't say anything about brightening, but I feel like it brightens my under eyes before I put on all my makeup and stuff like that, and not in like a bam way. No, it's very subtle, but that could be because it's a white cream on a black face. I don't know, but I feel like it's still there, and it looks hydrated and it looks brighter underneath my eyes. And like I said, that deal is still $175.50. That is still amazing, and you can get it on 5 easy payments of $35.10. Like crazy. That's good. That's some good stuff. And you can still get it on auto delivery, which is what I urge you to do. Put it on auto delivery. They also have this Tatcha Overnight Ritual Skincare Trio. Now this one, I don't know that it's a good value. This one is not that great of a value, which is why I did not want to put it in this video, but I'm gonna mention it. I'm gonna put a picture up of it, and that's all I'm gonna talk about. It's $143, but the value itself, I don't know. What is the value on this? $235 and you're paying $143. It's not that great. It's not that great. I wouldn't do it. So that's all that I wanted to talk about for skincare. I do have one other place that I wanted to go, and that was It Cosmetics, you guys. They have a lot of great deals. I wanted to tell you guys quickly about the superhero mascara. Okay, they have two on here for $33. I don't know how much they are, but I will put it on the screen how much it is at Sephora as opposed to getting two at QVC. Apparently they have two of the eyeliners as well for $29.50. And then I wanted to talk about the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores HD powder. I love this stuff. I bought this ages ago and I stopped using it because it was white and I couldn't get past it's white, and I'm black and it's white and it leaves white on my face. So I put it to the side and I didn't use it. But you guys, I've been pulling it back out and I have been using it now. What I do is I mix it with my the Fenty Pro Filter, something like that, the Fenty powder. I mix the two of those together and I put that underneath my eyes, and it just, the Bye Bye Pores is so soft and airy, and it gets all over my vanity. It gets everywhere, but it's so good. I can't not use it. I love it. All right, you guys, I hope you found yourself a great deal from the QVC website. I'm telling you, that is the place to go for skincare. They just have so many deals available. I love it. And I so love when they do super sizes, but I know that'll probably be more around Christmas time. But anyways, I gotta end this video. Until next time, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
I'll be right beside you.